At nearly 8,000 meters below the surface, where the pressure is over 1,000 times greater than at sea level, Pseudoliparis swirei thrives where almost every vertebrate collapses. This snailfish looks fragile, soft, translucent, almost unfinished, but its apparent weakness hides a biological design that pushes vertebrate life to the edge of what physics allows. Instead of resisting pressure with a rigid skeleton, it embraces it. Its bones are reduced to flexible supports, more like scaffolding than armor. Even its skull is not a typical bony box. It's a pressure-tolerant frame built to deform without breaking. This gives the species an evolutionary advantage. Less calcium, more cartilage-like structure, and a metabolic cost far lower than that of its shallow-water relatives. It is a fish that survives by yielding, not by fighting. One of its most unusual features lies in the pectoral fins. The joints are arranged so loosely that the fin movements look almost like unfolding ribbons. These joints remain functional under crushing pressure because they are stabilized not by bone, but by a unique matrix of proteins similar to those found in extremophile invertebrates. No other vertebrate uses this specific combination. It is a custom solution created by hadal evolution. Its cellular chemistry is equally unconventional. Pseudoliparis swirei carries extremely high concentrations of trimethylamine N-oxide (TMAO), which helps stabilize proteins in conditions that would normally destroy them. At shallower depths, TMAO gives fish their sea smell. Down here, it is survival itself, an invisible shield preventing the fish's enzymes from collapsing. Scientists have found that the TMAO concentration in this species is so near the theoretical maximum that it may represent the upper limit of vertebrate life on Earth. Behaviorally, this snailfish is not the slow, drifting ghost one might expect. ROV footage shows them actively hunting amphipods, darting with surprising speed despite their gelatinous form. They move like creatures without weight, as if the pressure around them were part of their body. Hadal life has erased the line between environment and organism. Some evolutionary biologists describe hadal fishes as biological paradoxes, vertebrates without vertebrate rules. Pseudoliparis swirei embodies this idea. It redefines what a body can be, taking the classical blueprint of a fish and distorting it until it works under conditions more extreme than anywhere else on Earth. Carl Sagan once said, "The universe is under no obligation to make sense to you." This fish is a quiet reminder that the deepest parts of our own planet follow that same principle. Adaptation is not always elegant. Sometimes it's strange, soft, translucent, and astonishingly effective. If you want more deep-sea stories like this, consider supporting the channel with a like, subscription, and share. Every bit of support helps us keep exploring creatures that rewrite the rules of life.